हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल श्री करियर इंस्टीट्यूट। आज के इस वीडियो में हम कवर करने वाले हैं द चेरी ट्री बाय रस्किन बॉन्ड के कुछ मोस्ट आईएमपी क्वेश्चन। हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज़ द मिरेकल इन द स्टोरी? आंसर है, on one sunny morning when grandfather of Rakesh come out in the garden to take sun bath, he shoved Rakesh a pale pink blossom at the end of a branch of the cherry tree. It was a little miracle for Rakesh. Next question is, where does Ruskin Bond reside now? Ruskin Bond lives with his adopted family in Missouri. Third question है, why was the cherry tree is so special? Answer is, the cherry tree was so special because it was planted and looked after over the years by a little boy. यानी कि little boy, छोटे से बच्चे ने इस चेरी ट्री को बोया था और इसकी देखरेख की थी, इसीलिए ये ज़्यादा स्पेशल है। नेक्स्ट है, what did boy find one spring morning? One spring morning, boy found rooted cherry tree, a small twig of about 10 centimeters. ये लॉन्ग टाइप क्वेश्चंस हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, समराइज द स्टोरी ऑफ द चेरी ट्री। आंसर इज, The cherry tree is a beautiful short story that closely follows the growth of a cherry tree, the seeds of which were planted by a small boy. The sorrow caused by the destruction of the tree, the act of patience inculcated in the child by his grandfather, the reward received by the small boy in form of sweet cherries succeed in carrying a profound message of love and care. The last line of the story is highly philosophical. Second question is, do you find the message of love in the story? Answer is, the parents take care of their child right from the time she or he is conceived till the time the child becomes capable enough to look after themselves and is wise enough to decide what is good or bad, right or wrong. Similarly, Rakesh, after seeking his grandfather's advice, planted the seed in the corner of the garden to ensure wind and snow could not easily trouble the cherry. He sprinkled water even when it was rainy season and circled it with pebbles for the plant's privacy. He got upset when his beloved cherry tree was attacked by goat, sweep and caterpillar. Love and bonding between the cherry tree and the small boy is more or less same as that of parents and child. Question is, consider the cherry tree as a philosophical story. Answer is, the story is everything that we could want our children to learn or what we wish our childhood would have been like. It enraptures the rosiness of childhood where we could entertain ourselves for hours by just playing in the grass or chasing butterflies. When a sweet mango or a juicy cherry would provide much delight, where our adventure would lead to, or where that prickly vine was creeping up to, and where the joy of listening to our grandparents' stories was unparalleled to any film, book or game. It teaches one the importance of not only our childhood but that it is completely in our hands to make it a fruitful one. It teaches us that the people looking after us can encourage us to learn more by letting us see how difficult and wonderful nature can be. Next is, describe briefly Ruskin Bond as a short story trailer. Answer is, Ruskin Bond was born in Kasoli, Himachal Pradesh in 1934 and grew up in Jamnagar, Gujarat, Dehradun and Shimla. He lives with his adopted family in Missouri. In his course of writing career, spanning more than 35 years, there that he has written over 100 short stories, essays, novels, and 30 odd novels for children. His first novel, The Room on the Roof, was he written when he was 17. It received the John Leville Rice Memorial Prize in 1957. He has also published 2 volumes of autobiography. The first one, Seen from a Writer's Life, describes his formative years growing up in Anglo, India, and the second one, The Lamp is Lit, is a collection of essays and episodes from his journal. In 1992, he received the Sahitya Akademi Award for English Writing in India. He was awarded the Padma Shri in 1999. He is well-known writer of fiction and renowned children's writer. His books can be read by everybody, children, adults, teens, etc. An extraordinary writer, he blends fiction with reality and writes books that are enchanting by way of innumerables, novels, essays, short stories, and poems. He has mapped out a unique literary landscape. Ruskin Bond is an ardent lover of nature and animals. This is evident from many of his stories and poems, like Cherry Tree, Song of Whistling Thrush, Visitors from the Forest, and so on. He narrated the life in the villages, life in mountains, children's fantasies, nature, animals, etc. Our last question is, what difficulties did the cherry tree face in growing up? Answer is, once a goat entered the garden and ate up all the leaves of the plant. It was a terrible incident. Rakesh was very sad. The plant was almost recovering from the goat's attack when a woman cutting grass cut the plant into 2. The grandfather was so furious that he scolded the woman for her carelessness. Rakesh began to feel that the cherry plant would die. Even the grandfather had similar thoughts. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.